The present continuous passive. We use the present continuous passive to talk about something happening now, but the focus is on the action, not who does it. The form is object plus is are plus being plus past participle. Active. The teacher is teaching the lesson. Passive. The lesson is being taught by the teacher. Active. The man is painting the wall. Passive. The wall is being painted. Active. They are cleaning the room. Passive. The room is being cleaned. Active. She is baking a cake. Passive. A cake is being baked. Active. He is fixing the car. Passive. The car is being fixed. Active. The workers are building a new school. Passive. A new school is being built. Active. The police are catching the thief. Passive. The thief is being caught.